or remove comments in Excel using VBA. On this sheet, I have some data in column A. Now I want to insert comment in cell A2. Let me highlight this cell. Now what is the VBA code for this? So let me go to Developer tab, click on Insert. I am selecting Command button from ActiveX Control. Let me drag a small command button here. Now I'll double click on this command button so that I can write the VBA code on click event of command button. So code to add comment in a cell is worksheets, then sheet name is sheet 1 dot cells where I want to insert comment. Now I want to insert comment in cell A2, so that means row number 2 column number 1. So here I can mention row and column. Row is 2, column is 1, dot add comment within brackets whatever I want to add comment. Here let me say hello world. So this one line of code will insert comment in cell A2. Let me minimize this VB editor. Click on design mode so that it is out of design mode. Now once I click on this command button, we can see that comment is inserted and it is showing hello world. Now let's see what is the VBA code to remove comment. So for that I will add another button. And VBA code to delete comment is, let me copy this because I want to remove comment from same cell. Dot comment dot delete. So this one line of code will delete comment from cell A2. So let me click on second command button and we can see that comment is removed. Now let's say if I want to analyze data in entire column A, right now we have data till row number 10 and on conditional basis I want to insert comment. So my condition would be if any cell has numeric value greater than 100 or more than 100, then I want to insert comment. So what is the VBA code for that? Let me add a command button here to insert comment on conditional basis. So here what I will do, I will use a for loop for I equal to, my data is starting from second row to 10 because data is only till 10th row. And next, within for loop I will use one if condition. If worksheets sheet 1 dot cells, here again I need to pass row and column. So what I'll do, for row I will pass I and column is 1 dot value is greater than 100. Then now I'll close the if condition using and if. Within if condition we can use the same code. Let me copy this line. So here instead of row I need to pass I. Let me change this comment. I can say condition is met, or you can give any comment whatever you want. So what this condition is doing, loop is running from row number 2 to 10 and then condition is if cell value is greater than 100, then only it will write comment as condition is met. So let's see how this code is working. Let me click on command button 3. We can see that wherever value is greater than 100, comment is inserted. Like in row number 3, row number 5, row number 8, and row number 9. Let me show the code again. So this is how we can utilize VB programming to work with comments in Excel. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any question around this topic, you can write into comments or you can send me email. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my channel for getting notifications of new VBA tutorials. Thank you.